Welcome to our overview of a flagship home audio configuration designed to challenge traditional surround sound layouts. The Sony BRAVIA Theater Quad home theater audio system is a premium 16-speaker setup that replaces bulky soundbars or complex receiver wiring with 4 sleek, flat-panel wireless speakers. Looking at the physical design, this system represents a radical shift from its predecessor. Each of the 4 matching speakers features a modern, ultra-slim profile wrapped in a light gray premium acoustic fabric. They are engineered to blend seamlessly into contemporary home decor, looking more like minimalist artwork or smart home climate panels than traditional boxy speakers. They feature an integrated dual-purpose stand that allows for effortless tabletop placement, or they can be mounted entirely flush against a wall using the included low-profile brackets. Behind that fabric exterior lies a sophisticated multi-driver layout containing 4 discrete drivers per speaker panel, totaling 16 across the entire system. Each flat panel houses a newly designed 3-way speaker configuration consisting of a ribbon tweeter for pristine highs, a soft dome mid-range driver, and a high excursion woofer for rich mid-bass. Crucially, the top of each panel features an angled up-firing driver engineered to bounce sound waves off your ceiling, providing dedicated overhead audio height channels for object-based sound formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS:X without requiring in-ceiling installation. The core of the system is a compact wireless control hub that connects directly to your television via a single HDMI cable. This hub distributes the multi-channel audio signals wirelessly to all 4 speaker panels using a stable, low-latency transmission protocol. It supports advanced pass-through features including 4K resolution at 120 Hz, Dolby Vision, and advanced gaming protocols. The defining technical feature of the system is Sony's 360 Spatial Sound Mapping technology. During the initial setup, you run an automated acoustic room calibration sequence using the Sony BRAVIA Connect smartphone application. The system leverages built-in microphones inside each speaker panel to precisely map their location relative to your walls, ceiling, and seating position. It then generates multiple phantom speakers all around your room, creating an expansive, bubble-like dome of sound that compensates for imperfect speaker placement. It may suit home theater enthusiasts who want a wide soundstage and immersive Dolby Atmos tracking without running speaker wires across the room or filling their living space with traditional audio components. Thank you for watching. If you found this overview helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Feel free to leave a comment below to share your thoughts on this flat-panel wireless audio system.